Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap a package. I'm starting with this square rectangular-ish box, and I picked this cute light blue paper to start. I had a little rip on the side, so I'm cutting that excess off to make sure we have a nice seamless start. I like to start at the sides. It's an easier guideline for how to shape the paper, in my opinion. First, you want to make sure the size of your package is a little bit less than the height of your box. So I'm going to trim up the sides once I get the perfect width. Once you have the width correct, you want to get the length of your paper correct as well. If it's overlapping, cut off the excess. Now that you have the right size paper, pull over the box so that it's nice and snug in the corner, and tape. Always make sure to put pressure on the seam so it looks nice and clean cut. I had a little excess that overlapped a little bit too much for my liking. I forgot to cut that off in the beginning, so I'm gonna cut that off now and tape. When you're going down the sides, press down and make a nice crease so it's nice and sharp, and continue to fold, creasing the paper as you go. Make sure you have a clean finish. Make sure to do the exact same thing on the other side. And there you have it, a nicely wrapped gift. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays.